Welcome back to From Rumors to Reality with your host, Darlene Ruger. So today we're going to talk about Nivea and Blueface. Nivea, Nivea. Girlfriend. I don't know what's wrong with you. I don't know if it's Kirsten, Christian, is more crazy, or you. Now, if you don't know, Nivea is pregnant, and I assume she just had her baby. Congratulations. She was pregnant by Blueface. So during this whole time, he honestly been treating her like shit, almost pretty much till the time she gave birth. He did some good, but you already know he treated her like shit. So today's topic is how this woman is in denial. We all know that Blueface likes to use her. He used Kirsten. Somehow she got away. Now she's back. Now, we all know that Kirsten's son is not Blueface's son. Let's just be real. The gentleman that died, that is the baby's father. Now, the kicker is, but if you watch the video, I love the reaction that the boy gives to Blueface. That means it's what he loves him. Blueface, you're a good father. You're just a shitty boyfriend. So let's get on. I'm just speechless about this girl, Nivea. You're beautiful. I mean, you was a hoe back then. But then you've been faithful to Blueface this whole fucking time. And this whole time, he's been cheating on you. And you've just been sitting there and just eating it up and eating it up. I'm hoping that you took all that money that you was making from streaming and you saved that up so you can get a house. Because Blueface don't deserve it. He don't. This is ridiculous how you just sat there and just watched repeatedly, him leave, him sneak out to go seek other women. Now, this man has the audacity to say, this is how you know he doesn't use rubbers. He said that he has certain women, and those certain women, when he gets together with, he fucks them raw. Now, if he does that and then they go out and they fuck someone else raw, and then they get something, then it gets back to him. And then it gets back to whoever he's having sex with. Which honestly I think something already done passed to him all. If you get my drift. So, without further ado, we're going to get to these little clips of Nivea and Blueface. And Blueface is really telling Nivea to her face, like, yo, like, you're not staying. You're here for this minute. Enjoy it. Enjoy the luxury. Don't have to pay no rent. You just got, you're living a life right now. But, make sure you stack that money because he's going to the next. And from the videos, from what I've seen with him and Kirsten, I think Kristen, I'm believing so. Them two are really in love. Yeah, it's like some old Bonnie and Clyde shit. So, without further ado, we're going to get into these clips. And don't forget to hit that like button. And don't forget to follow. You can also donate if you like so I can get a new studio. And I don't have to use this nursery. So, you can also do Chime at Darlene Ruger. And you can also do Darlene Ruger at PayPal. And again, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And I enjoy every moment that I spend with y'all. And thank you for watching. And don't forget to leave your comments because I love replying back. And I will also give you a shout out. Thank you very much. And again, welcome back to From Rumors to Reality.
I don't know how long it's going to work with you treating me so roughly and mean if I'm trying to be soft and you just be disrespecting me.
Shit. It's gonna work until you are ready to leave.
How is it going to work if you're disrespectful but I see you treating everybody else so nicely? I don't think that's right. I don't think that's right at all.
You don't think I disrespect other people?
I watched you over the weekend and yeah, it was chaos, but
Yeah.
I see it.
Welcome to Blues World.
Like shit like that as well. That's disrespectful to just put in my face.
Yeah. I don't really give a fuck.
Stop talking to me like that. Real shit.
What do you want me to say?
Stop talking to me like that. Stop fucking talking to me. Stop fucking talking to me like that, though. Stop talking to me like that.
What the fuck?
Stop talking to me like that.
All you know how to do is fuck then. How about that?
I fuck real good.
Okay. What else do you know how to do?
Talk shit.
And you know how to fucking talk shit. What else?
Get on your motherfucking nerves when you get on my motherfucking nerves.
You know how to fuck, talk shit, and get on my nerves. What else?
And do what you tell me to do. That's enough?
This is just getting worse.
No, I ain't got nothing to say
You know how
right
to
now.
fuck, talk shit, get on my nerves, and do what I say.
Here he is. He's with me. He probably might be with a couple other bitches, but he's with me. Now I'm starting to understand. Now I'm starting to hear myself. That is fucking bad. Oh my god, this is my karma. Oh my god, I'm realizing this is my karma. Oh my god, yes, duh. Yes, yep. This is my karma. This is my karma.
That's the trouble.
I know exactly what
Can
I
you
said,
tell me what
and
you
you're
said?
a dumb bitch. I said, wake your game up before you fuck your name up.
And then what else?
Why would I say she won't leave after that? That doesn't go
Why
together.
are you? Am I calling you a name?
I
Am
just
I
said,
calling you
I
a name
just said
though?
when I
But am
showed
I
you.
calling you a
Okay.
name though?
Now let me.
But am I calling you a
Now
name?
listen.
No.
No. Look.
Tell me.
Okay, look.
Am I disrespecting you though?
Yes, you are.
I'm calling you a name.
Yes, you're calling me a liar.
So that makes me a bitch.
That makes you a dumb bitch. Calling the truth a liar means you're a dumb bitch.
So were you
Now
just a
let me.
truthful person?
Now let me make
Y'all
out.
see how much he treats me?
Now let me make out exactly
I see
what
why
I
y'all
said.
say y'all being
Now let me. Well, no.
I see
let me
why y'all say
let
this
me make
shit.
out exactly what I said. Now that we got the clear footage, the first thing I said. Now that I can hear my voice and I know my language better than you or anybody DM you. The first thing I said was wake your game up before you fuck your name up. She's sleeping, correct? You see how that would
Drunk
make
as
sense?
hell, yeah, I see.
You see how that would make sense, right?
Mhm.
Okay. You're stupid, so you
No,
don't
I
know.
think you're
You don't know
stupid.
when you look stupid if you're stupid.
I think you're stupid. I think the whole world thinks you're stupid. You went from saying you're not claiming a kid to be around that kid acting like their daddy.
And you going off. And
Congratulations!
that's the
I look stupid.
That's the difference between
Here he
me
is
and
trying to make me look less of a person. I wasn't even trying to get into it with
That's
you.
the difference between me and you.
I wasn't even trying to get into it with you.
You let the
but you're
world-
calling me a bitch.
You let the
You're calling
world
me a bitch.
decide if you're stupid.
You're calling
or
me
not.
a bitch. But if I have a third one, it's over.
No.
Like third kid with you.
No. If you get another baby dad.
Oh no, fuck no. I'm sorry. I would get my
Well,
teeth
not
tied.
even another baby dad. You already fucked. You already cooked.
Why?
You got 2 kids and 2 baby dads. So look, this how it's gonna go. A nigga gonna fuck you, and then he just gonna be like, you ain't got no time to even be around a nigga enough to conquer the nigga anyway. So,
Yeah.
like, if I meet a bitch with 2 kids and 2 baby dads, I know I could just fuck on her because she got to go back to her 2 kids and 2 baby dads. That's like you feel me? That's the best bitch to turn out. Like, I'm gonna make her look my little hoe. Bitch ain't got enough time. I could fuck all type of other bitches because she got 2 kids and 2 baby dads. She has to go somewhere. She can't do it like how you doing it and just stay at a nigga house and just play house and shit.
I guess
She
I
gotta
made
go
the second
home.
child with the right man.
And while she at home, I'm gonna be fucking the shit out of a whole nother bitch. I'm trying to give you the game.
I don't have no plan to leave, y'all. I'm okay with being with him. I had my fun. I'm gonna keep my little family. My son loves John so much. And I love him too. And here we are about to have a baby this month. I said I heard wrong. What the fuck? That's admitting something. What the fuck are you talking
What you got so much attitude for?
Cause you telling me I'm gonna keep fucking bitches. What the fuck is you telling me that for?
Cause how?
What are you throwing that in my face for if I never came here saying you're fucking on bitches? What does that have to do with me?
Cause I'm the
I
truth.
see it. There ain't no motherfucking